Carrying just 1 extra kilogram costs you roughly 3 seconds per kilometer. Here is exactly what to carry and what to ditch. From your local 5K to your first 100K, the golden rule is nothing new on race day. But in 2026, with variable weather and evolving tech, that rule needs a strategic update based on distance. For the 5K and 10K, aerodynamics and weight are king. You do not need a hydration vest. You do not need a phone armband. Every gram is drag. At this distance, you are relying on glycogen stores. If you are wearing the Nike Vaporfly 4, don't negate the 4% efficiency gain by carrying a 500 ml water flask. The half marathon is the danger zone for overpacking. Marketing tells you to wear a hydration vest. Science says, unless it's over 25 degrees C, aid stations are sufficient. Carry 2 to 3 gels in a split short pocket or a minimal waistband. Save the vest weight for the full marathon or ultra distances. For the marathon, fueling logistics dictate your gear. You need 60 to 90 grams of carbohydrates per hour. That is a lot of bulk to carry without bouncing. Use a dedicated race belt or shorts with integrated storage like the Soar Marathon Speed Shorts. Do not rely on safety pins for gels. They tear technical fabrics. Here is your reality check on compression gear. Marketers sell sleeves for performance boosting. The 2025 research consensus is clear. Compression helps with recovery and pain perception, not speed. Wear them if they make you feel fast or keep you warm. But don't expect a physiological VO2 max boost. Focus instead on chafing prevention. Apply Body Glide everywhere. For ultras and trail, the game changes. You need the Salomon Adv Skin 12, or the new Naked Sports HC. Vest, mandatory gear isn't optional, but keep nice to haves minimal. Finally, check your tech. Whether you use the Garmin Forerunner 975 or Coros Pace 4, turn Autopause OFF. GPS drift at aid stations can pause your race while the real clock keeps ticking. Trust your training, trust your gear, and execute. See you out there.